Hi again everyone, Veeliksa. In this video, I will be introducing some more nouns relating to places. The focus is on the country of Jamaica, and I will be giving the Oy'Nissh translations in Guayfemir and Veeliksa for the country, counties, and parishes. I invite you to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends so you can be posted with the latest videos. Thank you. In English, Manchester. In Guayfemir, Manchester. In Veeliksa, Manchester. So this concludes this pronunciation. I hope that you're enjoying this series. Please remember to share with your friends, invite them to come and check out this new concept. The next parish I'll be introducing is Westmoreland. See you soon.